Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, bali ngayon guys, itutuloy lang natin yung usapan nating retrogression with regards to EB3 guys, immigrant visa, third preference. So, bali dito guys, doon nga sa mga previous vlog natin na pinapakita natin yung total pending sa NBC stage. Yung data na ginagamit natin guys between November 2022 to November 2023, which is meron ngang total pending applicants guys 36,141. So bali dito guys, titingnan natin ilan na ba yung na-issue na total visa per month doon sa fiscal year 2023 tsaka 2024, kasi meron siyang allotted number of visa issued per country. So ang gagamitin nating data dito guys is fiscal year 2023 tsaka fiscal year 2024 doon sa pending natin na applicants na 36,141. Siyempre guys, kung bago ka dito sa channel ko guys, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much sa inyong panunood and support dito sa aking channel. So sabay-sabay nating antabayanan guys yung movement ng retrogression dito sa ating hinihintay na EB3 immigrant visa to US. So bali guys, bago natin ipakita yung monthly issuance ng immigrant visa for fiscal year 2023 at 2024. So itong present muna natin yung data or data reference natin guys. So itong report na to guys is as of November 1, 2023. So ito nga yung pending applicants under DQ, document qualified, at the NBC stage guys. So 36,141. Ngayon guys, ito naman yung allotted visa per country. So for the Philippines, for fiscal year 2024 is 11,270. Then dito naman sa fiscal year 2023, ang allotted visa for Philippines for AB3 or E3 is 12,331. Ngayon guys, doon sa previous chart na pinag-usapan natin, so ito nga yung statistics na present natin. So bali ito yung allotted immigrant visa for Philippines guys for fiscal year 2023-24, which is total of 23,601. Ngayon guys, ito nga yung statistics na present natin, 36,141. Then kung ililist natin tong 23 guys sa 36, ito nga yung pending visa na wala pang allocation. Kasi ito lang yung pagbabasihan natin guys. So ito yung may iwan dito sa 36,000 pag minus natin tong 23,601. Ngayon guys, dito sa slides na to, dito natin makikita yung issuance ng visa every month, kung ilan na ba yung nai-issue doon sa fiscal year 2023 to 2024. So dito sa visa statistics na to guys, click lang natin to. Nandito tayo guys sa monthly immigrant visa issuance statistics. Then scroll down lang natin to. So ito yung mga fiscal year. Punta tayo doon sa data statistics natin. So yung data statistics natin guys is November 2022 for fiscal year 2023 and fiscal year 2024. So mapapansin nyo dito guys, yung data na available pa lang dito for 2024 is until March 2024. So bali from here guys, okay, from November to March 2024 lang yung data na i-gathered natin. So yun na nga guys, para makita natin kung ilan ba yung visa na binibigay per month. Dito tayo sa cut-off natin na November 2024. So dito guys, place of birth and visa classes. Ngayon guys, click lang natin tong Excel type na to para makita natin kung ilan yung binibigay per month to the Philippines. So, click natin to guys, yung Excel na to. Then, filter lang natin to guys. Okay, so, largest to smallest. Then, Hanapin natin yung visa natin guys, which is yung AB3, which is A3 or A3. Click natin to guys, then apply. So bali guys, ito nga yung sa Philippines for month of November 2022 fiscal year 2023. So for Philippines guys, A3 class, yung binigay nilang visa guys for November is 1,357. Ngayon guys, tingin pa tayo ng ngayon guys, gagawin natin dito guys kasi marami tong bubuksan nating Excel na to. Gagawa tayo ng chart para mabilis ang breakdown natin. Pero nag-open lang tayo ng Excel guys just to overview at para mabigyan kayo ng info kung ilan talaga yung allotted sa Philippines. Ngayon guys, after ng November, so open tayo ng December. So another example guys for fiscal year 23, November 2022. Itong Excel na to guys, click natin to. Then filter natin ulit guys. Ngayon, visa class A3. Click natin guys, apply. So Philippines guys is 1,128. So guys, ito guys, issue visa to Philippine country. So regardless guys kung nasaan ka man, kung nasa London ka or Middle East, kasama ka dito sa statistics na to guys, foreign state of chargeability or place of birth. So especially like for example, yung passport mo is Philippines pa rin guys, dito ka pa rin nakakategory sa numbers of issuance to Philippines. So yun guys, nagbigay tayo ng dalawang sample dito sa fiscal year 2023, which is yung November and December. Then hanggang dito na yan guys. Hanggang dito sa March 2024, which is pag inopen natin yung March 2024. So ito yung last available data for fiscal year 2024, March 2024. Filter ulit natin guys. Then visa class E3, apply. So sa March guys, nagbigay sila ng 1,250 for Philippines. So guys, kung manonotice nyo dito, no, sa lahat ng countries, tayo yung top lagi. So yung Philippines lagi ang top na binibigyan ng number of visas every month. So bali guys, in general, ito na yun guys, no. So sinamarize natin, ginawa natin ng chart. So ito nga yung fiscal year 2023 to 2024. So sa 2023 guys, yung cut-off date is November 2022 to September 2023. Ito nga yung mga allotted visa guys, no? So yun nga guys, yung inopen nating example, yung November 1,357, December 1,128, and so on. So ginawa na natin ng chart guys, hindi na natin iniisa-isa, ito na lahat yun. Kaya ang total niya for issuance of immigrant visa for fiscal year 2023 is 10,223. Then dito naman sa fiscal year 2024 guys, so ganun din. Ang start ng ano natin guys is continuation ng September to October. Yung October nga, ito lang yung mga binigay na visa po to Philippines. So October to November. Ang last nga nito guys is yung March 2024. So bali dito sa April to September 2024 guys, so wala pa siyang data statistics dun sa tinignan natin, which is for fiscal year 2024, ito pa lang yung naibigay, 3,799. Ngayon guys, to summarize yung data statistics natin, so yun nga guys, meron tayong pending waiting list November 22 to 23. Meron tayong 36,141. So for fiscal year 2023 to 24, ang total allotted visa for Philippines is 23,601. Ngayon guys, dun sa sinilip nating monthly visa issuance per place or to Philippines, yung total pa lang na na-issue guys is 14,022. Ngayon, meron pa siyang pending na 9,579 to be issued tong visa na to guys. Pero dito naman guys sa April to September, so wala pa naman siya. So either itong 9,579 na to guys ay magfi-fill to dito hanggang September. Pero just imagine guys, ganun pa siya karami. Just imagine guys, more than 9,000 pa yung pending niya na to be issued for fiscal year na dapat ubusin siya para hindi na siya ma-carry over doon sa for the next fiscal year 2025. So dapat tong 9,579 na to guys, kung i-allot nila to dito for remaining months, balance for fiscal year 2024, dapat per month meron silang issuance. Dapat per month guys, meron silang issuance na 1,596 para ma-meet up nila tong pending na to na 9,579 para hindi na to ma-carry over. Kasi guys, ang total nito guys is 23,601. Meron pa rin siyang balance na 12,540 which is wala pa siyang order. So wala pa siyang visa order guys, itong 12,540. Remaining pa to guys dito sa pending na 36,141. Kasi ito lang yung may allotted visa guys na 23,000. So hopefully guys, mapifill niya tong up to September para ito na lang yung matitira for the next fiscal year, upcoming na fiscal year 2025. So bali guys, ang tanong na lang dito kung magmumove ba ang visa bulletin this coming July 2024. Since na malaki pa yung numbers na over applicants versus dun sa allotted visa to the Philippines. So, antabayanan na lang natin guys yung next issuance ng visa bulletin kung magmumove ba siya, which is anyhow yung last cut date ng visa bulletin is November 2022. Yung cut off naman natin ito guys is until November 2023. So hopefully guys, meron pa rin siyang movement, pero based dito sa data statistics natin guys, ito pa nga talaga yung total pending na wala pang order or wala pang visa allocation at the in-visa stage. And these numbers guys is documentary qualified as of cut-off of November 1, 2023. So, yun lang po guys ang may share natin dito sa ating employment-based immigrant visa applicant status for the Philippines. So, yun nga guys, to summarize, ito yung pending natin guys. Ito yung total issuance natin. Ito naman yung na-issue na, pero meron pa rin siyang balance. At ito yung wala pang order based doon sa number of visa allocation to the Philippines. But hopefully guys, it will move pa rin yung visa bulletin this coming July 2024. At yun nga guys, nire-remind lang natin dito, ina-analyze lang natin yung statistics, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung process natin. Huwag tayong sumuko, darating din yan guys. Darating din yan as long as meron kang priority date at complete process to in-visa states, especially documentarily qualified, para tuloy-tuloy na yung process mo at kumpleto na yung process. So yun na nga po guys, I hope na nakapagbigay na naman tayo ng information dito sa pinaprocess natin. Antabayan na natin guys ang next movement ng visa bulletin, kung magmumove ba based dun sa mga statistics na pinipresent natin dito guys. So yun nga guys, tulad ng sinabi ko, sabay-sabay nating antayin guys, pero syempre guys, especially kung nakapag-process na tayo, syempre hintayin lang natin, darating din yan. Especially kung meron ka ng priority date at document qualified ka na. Pero syempre guys, wag mawalan ng pag-asa. Alam naman natin na talagang nababasa din natin. Shortage nga sila ng nurses doon sa US. So, hintayin lang natin guys. Laban lang, tuloy-tuloy lang yung process, darating din yan. So, yun lang po guys. Thank you so much sa inyong panunood. Thank you so much sa inyong support. huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe guys para updated ka for the next video. So thank you so much guys. Bye-bye!